Hi everyone, how are you? I'm here at Fruit of the Land, very excited to be working on these Bubbi's Ruglach, featuring these lovely Fruit of the Land jams. We're going to be featuring two today. The first is the strawberry jam. It's delicious. The second one, and this is so interesting and different, is the mango passion fruit. You can do all kinds of things with this mango passion fruit jam. Today, we're going to be showing it in a fantastic Ruglach recipe from my book, Kosher Taste. It's actually called Bubbi's Ruglach. It is my grandmother's recipe, and I'm very proud to be showing it to you today. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to put some warm water in a bowl. To that, I'm going to add a tablespoon of sugar and a tablespoon of dry yeast. Give this a little mix, and we're going to set it off to the side. I just want the yeast to start to rise and become active. Now I have my other bowl, and to this I'm going to put my butter. I have 2 sticks of butter, which is half a pound. Let's just open this up. You can use margarine if you prefer for this recipe, if you want it to be dairy-free. Today we're using butter, and it's going to taste amazing. To that, I'm going to add 3 cups of flour. Now, I just washed my hands because what you need to do is you actually need to get in here with your hands and you need to crumple the butter. We want the mixture to become almost like a sandy consistency. Okay, so I'm getting my dough, my prepared dough to a sandy mixture, and the really nice thing about this pastry is I know sometimes pastry seems overwhelming to you or to people, but really when you do it like this, it really is simplified. So this is a nice sandy texture. This is what you're looking for. And to this mixture, we're going to add 3 egg yolks. Now we're going to bring back in our mixture with the yeast. What I like to do is I like to start by making sure the egg yolks are broken up, and I just use my wooden spoon to begin with. And you can see I'm starting to get a nice ball of dough. Right, so as you can see, that dough took really 2 to 3 minutes. I have a nice round dough ball here that I'm going to put down on my board, my floured board. I'm going to take my rolling pin. I'm going to just lightly flour my rolling pin, and I'm going to just start rolling. So when you get your dough ball to, I would say this is about 9 inches in diameter, the circle. Then we're going to move on to our filling. I'm going to do this one to show you both fillings. Half will be with the strawberry and half will be with the mango passion fruit. So let's just put some jam down on the sides here. I'm going to use the mango passion fruit on the other side. Then just spread your jam out a little bit. And now for the fun part. I like to do this with a pizza cutter. If you don't have a pizza cutter at home, no problem, just use a knife. But you see how you have your round pizza shape in a pizza cutter? I'm sure you can all guess what I'm going to do. Let's just make some nice cuts. We want it to be shaped like slices of pizza. And the easiest thing now, just take one of your slices out and roll it up, and this is going to create the shape of your ruglach. I have my pan right here with my parchment paper waiting to go, and we're just going to put them on.